Hey friends, Jess here. I am back with another process video, story 6, which is going on the back of story 5, in which I do not have a process video for, so I was just giving you a little preview or peek at the final layout there. Story 6 is more or less kind of like a foundation page. You have all the pieces there except for the actual stories, and you'll see here in a minute what I'm talking about. But I have these little prompt cards that came in a jar my mom gave me, and they're all these different Christmas activities that you can do. So I decided to take them and attach them on this really pretty black background paper that's like a linen gray. And I chose three activities, and then I turned the other cards around to kind of give a opposite pattern look. I just like the look of that. And so basically what's going to happen is I'm going to put these on the layout, and I've got those cute little Santa Claus and present ephemera pieces from the Alley collection that will go on the ones that are red polka dot that have no prompt. And so as we complete these activities throughout the month of December, I will add photos and maybe even journaling to these cards. And so the ones with red can be any story or photo I want to tell, whereas the ones with the actual activity, it's kind of like a bucket list, right? We're gonna try to complete that before the holiday season is out. So this was a really, really quick process video and layout to put together, and obviously stories will come later, so it's not quite complete, but all the foundational pieces are there. Now if you like this little activity prompt list, I encourage you to go over to Patreon, join that. I created a free printable that's very similar to these cards to help you create this very same layout. So I encourage you to go check it out, as well as real-time process videos are over there too, and a few other printables. I hope you enjoyed this process video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.